Hello and welcome to this tutorial on using FAI-Trainer, the ultimate one-liner for image classification tasks in PyTorch. My name is Nizamuddin Mohammed and I'm excited to guide you through the features and capabilities of this powerful package. Whether you are a seasoned AI expert or just starting out with deep learning, FAI-Trainer is designed to make your image classification tasks easier than ever before. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's set up a virtual environment. Creating a virtual environment helps you manage dependencies and avoid conflicts between different projects. Open up your terminal and run the following command. Then activate the virtual environment. Next, let's get FAI-Trainer installed within our virtual environment. Run the following command: pip install FAI-Trainer. This will install the package quickly, allowing you to start using it right away. PyTorch simplifies the entire data preparation and model training process. Traditional methods of training models in PyTorch can be quite complex, requiring numerous steps of data loading, pre-processing, model setup, and training configuration. With FAI-Trainer, you can achieve all this with a single command. It's designed to handle everything from converting image formats and resizing images to eliminating duplicates and splitting datasets. To get started with data preparation, organize your images into respective directories inside a folder named datasets at the root level. For instance, if you're working with a dataset of cats, dogs, and birds, your structure should look like this. Now, let's prepare our data and train the model. Normally, you would have to write extensive code to handle data pre-processing, model definition, training loops, and more. But with FAI-Trainer, you can do it all with a single line of command. This command prepares your dataset, splits it into training and validation sets, and starts training a ResNet 50 model with the specified parameters. FAI-Trainer provides visual progress tracking for both training and validation phases, allowing you to monitor your model's performance in real time. This feature makes it easier to see how well your model is learning and adjusting accordingly. FAI-Trainer also generates a detailed report of the training process. This report includes a confusion matrix chart, which helps you understand how well your model is classifying different categories, and pie charts showing the distribution of images in your training and validation sets. These visualizations are invaluable for assessing the performance and balance of your dataset. Once training is complete, you can easily test your model on a specific image. Simply run below command. This command will load the trained model and test it on a specified image, giving you immediate results. The image size parameter is optional here, and it defaults to the size used during training if not specified. That's it. You have now seen how FAI-Trainer can streamline your image classification tasks. For more information, please check the description. Thanks for watching and happy coding.